We are doing a lot of things to ensure safety and security of the market and of the traders. What has happened is that yesterday, what happened was that the environmental court, they used to sit every Tuesday in Wuse Market. They are an offspring of the Abuja Municipal Council. So they used to sit. They have convicted some people and put them on handcuff. And because they convict you and give you option of fine. So they have convicted some people and put them under handcuff because no person has paid their fines. So they were about to take them to the correctional centers when one of them on handcuff decided to jump down and took to his with the handcuff.